If you're having issues accessing the research databases at Tebow Library, this video will guide you through several troubleshooting strategies. We'll discuss troubleshooting tips including your university affiliation, your TigerNet ID, your ClickPath or how you got to the resource, web browsers, and Wi-Fi networks. If you are a faculty, staff, or a currently enrolled student at Fort Hays State University, you should have full access to Tebow Library's resources and databases. Keep in mind, you do not need to download anything, register, or pay. Make sure that you've activated your TigerNet ID. If you have not yet activated your TigerNet ID and created a unique password, use the link on the screen to do so, and then allow approximately 4 hours for your account to be activated to use library resources. Double-check your path to an article or resource to make sure you're going through the library website. For best results, begin by going directly to the library website, fhsu.edu/library. When accessing a database, click on Research Databases on the home page. Then use the A to Z list or subject categories to find the database that you're looking for. When accessing materials on the Search Everything tool, click on Full Text Available to access your resource. If you are off campus, see if you're prompted to log in with your TigerNet ID. After you click on a database or resource you want to use, you should receive a screen that looks like this. If you do not see a screen like this, try clearing your cache or deleting the cookies on your web browser. Ask a librarian for help clearing your cache and cookies. Or you can always try a new browser like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any of your other favorites. If you're using a public Wi-Fi network, a workplace, or public school network to access Tebow Library resources, you may run into firewall or other security measures preventing you from accessing our resources. So try again from a different Wi-Fi network, preferably from home. If you are still experiencing issues accessing library resources after following these troubleshooting steps, please contact a librarian at Tebow Library using any of the following methods.